Carter, and I am the Family and Community Health Agent with Cameron County for Prairie View A&M University Cooperative Extension Program. Today, we're going to make an easy dessert, 2 ingredients, called Yum Brownie Muffins. Yum Brownie Muffins use 2 ingredients that are delicious but also nutritious. And one of those ingredients is canned pumpkin. And canned pumpkin is an item that you can easily find in the grocery stores right now. And it is high in fiber, high in vitamin A for good vision, and also vitamin C to build up immunity. All right, let's get started making our Yum Brownie Muffins. The first thing we need to do before we start any recipe is to make sure that we have the ingredients needed. So we have our devil's food cake mix, and we also have our canned pumpkin. Now, before we open our canned pumpkin, we need to follow food safety precautions. I've already washed my hands. I want to make sure to put on my gloves, so we'll do that. And then, as with anything, we want to also clean up or clean the tops of our cans just to make sure. They may have been sitting at the store for a while, people coming by, patrons touching them. So we want to make sure that we clean those off with a little towelette before we use them, and then proceed in opening them with any can opener that you like. And then what we need to do is empty out the pumpkin mix and also the cake mix into any bowl, mixing bowl that you may have. A medium size to a large size would work. You could also use a stand-up mixer if you happen to have one at home. If you don't, that's okay. The hand mixer will work just fine. So what we'll do is first put our brownie mix in there. Next, we'll put in our canned pumpkin. I'm going to use a spatula to go ahead and put that into our mixing bowl and make sure that we get everything out of our can, get the most from there. These spatulas are really nice. A silicone flexible spatula will work just fine. And then after we've gotten all our pumpkin, we're going to want to go ahead and mix it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on our mixer. Now that we've mixed our batter, your consistency will be pretty thick, just like this. If you've noticed, it's almost like an ice cream confection to where it doesn't move. That's as thick as you want it. You can also mix this by hand. You will get a good workout from it. If you mix it by hand, it'll be very thick. But once mixed, what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray our pan with some cooking spray. And so you'll just spray the muffins, or you can also make them into bigger muffins if you want. Today we're gonna make mini muffins. And then what I also usually do is I spray my cooking scoop, also just so that the batter won't stick. And then all I do is start filling up our little muffins. There's 24 to 1 pan, and we'll continue to do that. And once they're all filled, we're gonna go ahead and bake in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. You can go ahead and stick a toothpick in it to make sure that they're done, and then you can enjoy. See you in a little bit. All right, our brownies should be done. In order to test whether or not they're done, what we'd like to do is stick a toothpick in one of them and just make sure that it comes out clear. So that's what we're gonna do. It came out clear, they're done, ready to go. What we would like to do is let them cool down. And once they're hit room temperature, you can enjoy.